Alrighty, hello everyone. I'm your host, Mr. Hip. Welcome to That's So Vegan. Today we're going to be making a everything salad. As you can see, we have a lot of different fruits and veggies here. We all travel and we all have busy days or busy weekends. I'm actually going to be heading to New York soon, so I just wanted to go through my pantry and my fridge to see what type of fruits and veggies I had left and what was going bad, and this is what I have. So we're going to be making the salad using these ingredients. Over here we have some orange juice. We're going to be making our salad dressing with this orange juice. About a cup does your body good. And then we're going to add a little bit of leaves from the rosemary. Fresh rosemary is always best. I actually like the power that turmeric has. We don't have any fresh turmeric, so we're going to be using the powdered turmeric, which is just as good, followed by red bell pepper, a little bit of jalapeno just for a little bit of spice. And then we're going to add some hemp seed for protein. And after, we're going to mix all of that with everything you see here. You just want to cut up the pepper just enough in chunks so your blender can eat through it. Add the sponge juice in. Just a small sliver or slice of jalapeno pepper, just a little bit of rosemary. Once you're finished with your dressing, you do want to add the leaves, whatever green leaves you have, kale, lettuce. Today we're going to be using spinach. This usually makes 2 large servings. I'm going to pour half of the dressing over it. Just shake that up, toss that in there. Those greens nice and wet. I'm going to make zucchini noodles just to give the salad a little hip touch. I'm going to chop both of the ends off of your zucchini. Place it in here, have a handy little spiralizer, and then you just spin and voila. Always like how this looks when it comes out of the spiralizer. It looks nice and delicious. Juicy. Now you can enjoy your salad. So juicy, it's delicious. Again, I'm Mr. Hip, and this is salad, just like the show. That's So Vegan. Thank you.